Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how the simplification of an algebraic expression can be used to solve a problem. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concepts. The first question says, complete the following. A, simplify open bracket a minus 1 over a close bracket to the power of 2, and B, evaluate a squared plus 1 over a squared if it is given that a minus 1 over a is equal to 7. Solving the first part of the question, we have to simplify a minus 1 over a all squared. That will be equal to a minus 1 over a. Because that's a square, we're going to multiply the same expression twice. When multiplying an expression, that is a binomial multiplying another binomial, all the terms in the first bracket will multiply all the terms in the second bracket. So what we have will be a times a, that's a squared, a times minus 1 over a, that will give us minus 1. We go to the second term, minus 1 over a times a, that will also give us minus 1, and minus 1 over a times minus 1 over a will give us plus 1 over a squared. What I've done is, if I have a multiplying minus 1 over a, the a is over 1, a divided by a, that's 1, so we are left with minus 1 over 1, which is the same as minus 1. And likewise, if we have minus 1 over a multiplying minus 1 over a, minus times minus, that's plus. So we have for our numerator 1 times 1, 1, and a times a squared. Simplifying, we have a squared minus 1 minus 1, that will be minus 2, plus 1 over a squared. For the second part of the question, we have to evaluate a squared plus 1 over a squared if it is given that. So this is what we are going to work with. A minus 1 over a equals to 7. So going by what we've been given, we have a minus 1 over a equals 7. If we square both sides, we have a minus 1 over a all squared. Whatever you do on your left, you do on your right. But note that we already have the value of a minus 1 over a squared from the first part of the question, which says evaluate a minus 1 over a all squared. So what we do is we are just going to slot in the value as given, and we have that expansion to be a squared minus 2 plus 1 over a squared, and that will be equal to 7 squared. 7 times 7, that's 49. The question says we should evaluate a squared plus 1 over a squared. So therefore, we are going to take our minus 2 to the other side of the equation. We have a squared plus 1 over a squared. When it gets to the right hand side, it becomes a plus, so we have that as 49 plus 2. Therefore, a squared plus 1 over a squared is equal to 49 plus 2, 51. Let's look at the next example. In the next example, we start with the simplification of open bracket x plus 1 over x all to the power of 2. We have we have to simplify x plus 1 over x all to the power of 2. Expanding, we have that as x plus 1 over x, multiplying x plus 1 over x. Like we did earlier, if you're expanding a binomial, all the terms in the first bracket will multiply all the terms in the second bracket. So we have that expansion as x times x squared, plus x times 1 over x, that will be plus 1 1 over x times x plus 1, and the last terms 1 over x times 1 over x, 1 over x squared. If we simplify, we have x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared. Going to the second part of the question, we are to evaluate x squared plus 1 over x squared if 1. The first part of the question says x plus 1 over x is equal to 5. We're going to square both sides. We have that as x plus 1 over x all squared equals 5 all squared. Note that we already have the value of x squared, x plus 1 over x all squared, in the first part of the question. So putting that back into the equation, we have that as x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals 5 squared. That will give us 25. We're going to take up 2 to the other side of the equation. We have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 25 minus 2. Therefore, x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 25 minus 2, 23. We've been able to solve the first part of question B. For the second part, we have x minus 1 over x. The first part we had x plus 1 over x. This time around we have x minus 1 over x equals to 5. Using the same method, we're going to square both sides. We have x minus 1 over x all squared equals 5 squared. Expanding, because we don't have the value for x minus 1 over x all squared, so I'm going to expand that here. X minus 1 over x equals 5 squared. That will be 25. We have all the terms in the first bracket multiplying all the terms in the second bracket. Taking note of our signs, we have that as x times x squared, x times minus 1 over x, that will be minus 1, minus 1 over x times x, minus 1, and the last terms, minus 1 over x times minus 1 over x, plus 1 over x squared equals 25. Simplifying, x squared minus 2 plus 1 over x squared equals to 25. Taking out 2 to the other side, we have x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 25 plus 2. So therefore, x squared plus 1 over x squared equals 25 plus 2. That will be 25 plus 2, 27. So we've been able to evaluate both questions as given. Thanks for watching. Bye.